Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Verma, and today we will discuss mensuration part 4. And in this video, we will discuss the question based on diagram, which is given in your book. Clear, student? So let's solve question. So this is your question number 10A. Clear, student? Now you have to see very carefully how you have to solve. You have to find out area of the total diagram, student. Now this is irregular shape. You have to first break into the rectangle. Clear? And then you have to find out area. Clear, student? So you can do this question in many ways, but one way I will explain. The first rectangle I want to draw this one. This one is our first rectangle. Let us, this one is first rectangle. Okay? So now this one we can assume our second rectangle. Acha, one important thing. This is 4. This is total 4, and here nothing is. Acha, 3 is given. Or anything is given? 2, 2. Okay. So this is our first rectangle. This is our second rectangle. Clear? This is our second rectangle. This is, and this one I can make third rectangle. Okay? This is our third rectangle. And this is fourth rectangle. Yani 1, 2, 3, this is fourth rectangle, and this is fifth rectangle. Clear, student? Now, you have to find out area. See carefully very. Now, area of rectangle 1. Clear, student? Area of rectangle 1. See, student, this is rectangle 1 na? Length total is given 3, breadth is given here, from here to here. Achha, this 4 is from here to here, total. Clear, student? One important, anything, 4 is given na? So this is your length, and you have to find out this one. Clear? One word, there is some mistake in your book. Dear students, there is some mistake in your diagram. Clear? Here, this is some mistake. 1 minute. So you have to draw the diagram very carefully, student. Otherwise, you will also do mistake. Because you have to divide in part. Clear? So if you will not draw diagram well, then your diagram will be incorrect. Clear, student? So this is our diagram. Clear, student? This is total, and this is about, see, this is about half. Due to this, I am making very carefully. Okay, student? Okay. So now come to the question. This is first rectangle. Clear, student? So you know that. Achha, this 4 means, student, what? This is 4 na? So this 4 is means, student, this is not the length from here to here. This is length from here to here, total length. And this 3 means this length. Okay? And this 3 means this one. Clear? So you have to find out area of rectangle 1. Here it is 10. So length is given 3, breadth is also given 3. You will not take 4 because 4 is the total length. Clear? So now 3 into 3. Yeah, and this will come what? 9 meter square. Clear, student? Next is rectangle 2. Okay? You know that this total length is 4. This is 3. Yani here till here length is 3 and total is 4. Okay? Yes, this is long line. Here from here to here, this is length 3. This will remain what? 1, because 4 minus 3, 1. Clear? So it will become 1. Area of rectangle 2 you will write down. It will become what? It will become 2. This is given 2 na? So this is also 2. Length is 2 and breadth is, student, we find out 1. How? Total length is 4 and this is 3. So 4 minus 3, 1. Clear? So this will become what? 2 multiplied by 1. Yani 2 meter square. Is that clear, student? Again, rectangle 3. Clear? This is our rectangle 3. Okay student. Now in this we have to find out this is from here to here 2 and from here to here this is what? This is 1. So 2 plus 1 this will become yani total length this one become 3. Clear? Ab now here you can see one thing कि this total is 3 is given. Okay, and you have to find out this one. Clear? So for this what we can do student, you know that this one is also 2. How? From this point to this point. This is also 2 na, because this is equal to this. Ab if total is 3 and this you know that 2, so this will become what? This will become 1. Simple, because total is 3, from here to here this is 2. So 3 minus 2 this will become 1. Clear? So this is breadth is 1 and this is from here to here 2 and from here to here 1. Yani total, if you want to this one length, so length is 3. Yani area of rectangle 3 equal to 3 multiply by 3 is total length from here to here 2 and here 1. So this will become also 1. 2 plus 1 3 and this is 1. So 3 multiply by 1 this will become 3 meter square. Okay student. Now next is rectangle 4. Rectangle 4 is this one. Okay, acha, see carefully. I erase diagram again. I draw. Why? Because this is the middle point and total length is given 4. Okay student, so see carefully. If this is a line and this is the midpoint, okay, it means this line divide this 2 in 2 equal part. Yani if total length is 6 means this 3 this 3. Clear? So according to this concept it means we know that this is also 2, this is also 2. Clear? I think there is no doubt. Now total length ab you have to find out, because this one you know that up for this you know that from here to here 2, so this is also 2, because this and this are same, and this is also, this is what? This is 1, from here to here this is 1. Clear student? So total is 3 because this length and this length is equal. So 3 and this is what? 2. So you can write down area of rectangle 4 equal to 3 multiplied by 2, yani 6 meter square. Okay student? Clear? Now next thing, 1 minute. A rectangle 4 we have to also check. This one is 2, this one is what? Total length is from here to here this is 2 plus 1 3 na student. 1 minute. 2 plus 1 3 and 3 2 ja 6 na. ठीक. Okay, now come to this next part. This is rectangle 5. So rectangle 5 student, this is 2. Okay, and you have to find out this total length student na, this total length. So you know that this is what? From here to here. Find out from here to here. You know that this length from here to here, this length and this length all are equal, and you find out 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3. But this is little bit long and 1 meter more. So 3 to you know that already. This is what? This is 3 from here to here, and 1 is also added. So 3 plus 1 is 4, and this 2 is given. Clear? So you know that area of rectangle 5, area of rectangle 5 equal to what? 4 into 2, yani 8 meter square. Clear student? So total area what student? Total area it will become 9 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8. This is student what? This is our total area. Now 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 6 20, 20 plus 8 28 meter square is our total area of the diagram. Clear student? So in this question you have to practice 2 or 3 times, you will understand. Clear? First I break in different part, then we have to decide ki length and breadth, then you have to solve. So this question you have to practice more than 2-3 times, then you will understand how it will come. Clear student? And I explain. So in video you can see again and again, then you will understand. Now come to the next question based on same topic, same question, matlab same type we have to discuss. So come to the next question. So student, you have to practice more and more, then you will be able to solve the question. B part is given. This is your diagram. Diagram is very important, student. Otherwise, you will write down something wrong and solution will be incorrect. Clear? This is about our diagram. Now what is given information? This is given 3 total. This is given 1, or this is also 3. This is 2. This is 1. Clear? And total is 5. Now we have to also find out the area of the rectangle, area of the total diagram. Clear? So now let us assume this is our first rectangle, this is our second rectangle. Diagram is little bit not okay. This is our rectangle. So suppose this is our first rectangle. Clear? This is our second rectangle. So first rectangle, second rectangle, third rectangle. Clear, student? Now first you have to find out area of first rectangle. Now you know that simply you can see breadth is given 1, length is given 3. So you can write down area of rectangle 1 equal to what? Length is total 3. Write down 3 into 1, yani 3 meter square. Clear? Come to this one. Now you know that this one is given what? This one is given 3. Okay, student? You have to find out this one. Okay? So if this one is 2, so this is also 2. Both are of equal length. Total length is, student, what? Total length is 3. And from here to here this is 2. So what it will become, student? 1. In previous video we discussed. So this will become 1. Now you know that this is 3, this is 1. So simple area of rectangle 2 equal to what? Length you know that 3. 3 multiply by what? Multiply by 1. This will become 3 meter square. Simple. Clear, student? Now come to the next. Next is given this one. Clear, student? So in this if this is 3, this is also 3. Clear? And this is also 1. The same concept will apply. Area of rectangle 3. Ab how you, one question can come in mind, how sir this is 3, because this one is 3, student, this one is 3 total, this one is 3, so this is also 3, all are equal. Clear? So this will become what? 3 multiplied by 1, yani 3 meter square. Is that clear? Now total area, student, what? Total area equal to, student, 3 plus 3 plus 3, yani 9 meter square. Clear, student? Very easy question. Only you have to find out what is given, what is not given. Diagram should be correct, then you will find out your solution. Clear, student? So I think now you are able to solve the question based on this. Okay, student? So now let us take some other example, and rest of question you will do yourself. Okay, student? So now come to the next question. Up next question I am going to tell question number 11. 11 is also based on same pattern. 11. What is given? Split the following shapes into rectangle and find their areas. So I am going to solve question number B. You have to do the same process. Clear, student? You have to find out area, splitting the diagram in the form of rectangle. Clear? So in this question also you have to be very careful for writing the information, what is given and what is not given. Clear? This is the, I think this is about, okay. So now all are 7. All are 7. Okay. This is also 7. All are 7, student. ठीक. अच्छा. So one, so many at your home, your brother, sister, mother, they can tell कि this is in the form of जैसे 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, and so many solution of this question. But in this question you have to very important thing you have to see, you have to split this diagram in the form of what? In the form of rectangle. Clear, student? So you know that if I want to draw a rectangle, this is, I can draw, this one will be our first rectangle from here to here. Clear? So I can assume this one is first rectangle. Clear? But and second, this one is our second rectangle. Matlab, it means I can assume this is our first rectangle. I can assume this is our first rectangle. Okay? And this vertical line is our second rectangle. But an important thing, student, कि this is the middle part. Okay? And this is what? This is about square. So if you have to find out area of this diagram with the help of rectangle, so what you can do, you can find out the area of all rectangle, yani two rectangle is formed, and you have to subtract this one, then you have to find out. But if you have to find out matlab without removing this diagram, so it means you have to also conclude the square, but you have to find out the area of the rectangle. Okay, so now come to the question. This is 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay, so this total length, if I have to find out, it will become what? It will become 21. So 21 write down. Is that clear? And this one is what? This one is 7. So if I want to know the area of diagram 1, so you can write down area equal to 21 into 7. So this will become 147. Clear, student? Because area equal to L into B, this will become 147. Similarly, same concept you will apply, student, for this one. Okay, this is diagram like that, na? So 7 plus 7 plus 7. So total length is what? Total length is 21. And this one is what? 7. So 7 write down. Again you will write down area equal to A1, A2. 21 into 7, yani 147. Clear, student? Now, important thing what I discussed, this is our what? This is the middle part, and this is what? This is our square. Clear, student? This is our square. So we have to remove this one, then we have to find out area of rectangle. So you know that square, all sides are of 7. This is 7, this is 7, this is 7, this is 7. Okay? So 7 and 7. Ab you know that area, third part. So you can write on A3. Ab area of the square, you know that student what? Side into side. Side is 7 and 7. Matlab all sides are equal. So 7 multiplied by 7. So you can write on what? 49 meter square. Okay? So what you will do, some students what they can do, they will do, they will add all things. Clear? But you don't have to do. What I explained, you have to find out area in the form of rectangle. Okay? So rectangle is only this one and this one. This is your square. So what you will do, you will remove this one. So you can write down total area equal to 147 plus 147 minus 49. Clear, student? So this will become what? 7, 7, 14, 4, 4, 8 and 9, 1, 1, 2 minus 49. Clear, student? Now when you will subtract, you will get 14 minus 9, 5, 8 minus 4, 4 and 2. So this is our correct answer. Clear, student? In centimeter is given, it is. Sorry, this is given in centimeter, na? So write down here centimeter. Here write down, student, unit is in centimeter. Unit is given in centimeter, or if you will not write down unit, I will deduct 1 marks in your examination. So write down unit. This is centimeter square. So if anyone going to tell you, find out according to square. See, this all looking like square if you make diagram properly. So you have to say, you have to find out in the form of a rectangle. So this is the correct method. First find out the area of rectangle, then subtract square. Clear, student? So this is our solution. This is third. I think this is clear, student. Okay. So now come to the next question. And rest of question you will do yourself, student. I explain lots of question in this exercise. So next question, other question you will do yourself. Clear, student? So come on question number 12. 12 A part I am going to explain. What is given? How many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter given? will be needed to fit in the rectangular region whose length and breadth are respectively. Student, in many of you, जैसे कि at your home, in kitchen, in मतलब floor, there may be tiles. Okay, so if you have to find out total number of tiles, so what you can do? What you can do? First, you have to find out total area what is given, and then you have to find out area of the tiles, area of one tiles. If you divide total area by the number of by the area of the tiles, then you can find out the area matlab number of tiles. Okay, it means number of tiles equal to what is given, area of the region. Region means matlab shape what is given, area of the region, area of region upon area of tiles. With the help of this we can solve. Student, how? Let us see what is given. How many tiles whose length and breadth? The length and breadth of tiles is 12 and 5, and needed to fit a rectangular region whose length and breadth. Okay, so number of tiles. You have to find out area of the region, student. Ab area of the region, see in question number A what is given, area 100 centimeter into what? Area equal to L into B, 100 centimeter into 144 centimeter. Clear? Divided by area of the tiles. Tiles length and breadth is given 12 and 5. So 12 multiplied by 5. Very simple. Clear? What I written? Area of the region. This is your region, L into B. Area of the tiles. This is area of the tiles. Okay. So now, what you can do? 12 ja, I know table. So I can reduce. So table should be learned. 12 ja 144. 5 2 ja 10. 20. Clear? So number of tile equal to what? 20 multiplied by 12. It will give 240 tiles. Clear, student? In B part also you can do self. Only you have to write down this area of the region. Yani what is given? 70 and 36 and divided by area of the tiles, because tiles are same. Clear, student? So this is, student, our chapter 10 I finished according to NCERT. Clear, student? So rest of question you have to solve according to my explanation and your understanding. Clear? I think there is no problem will come in your in this chapter. So in next video, student, we will discuss the RS Agrawal. Clear, student? So solve all the question and you can ask your doubt. Thank you, students.